Meaning of It's a long way to Tipperary.
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 It's a long way to Tipperary. It's a Long Way to Tipperary is a British music hall song written in 1912 by Jack Judge and Harry Williams. It became popular during the First World War as a song that was sung by soldiers marching off to war, and it is often associated with the British Army in the First World War. The song is about a man who was leaving his home in Ireland to go to Tipperary, which is a town in the south of Ireland. The distance between his home and Tipperary is used as a metaphor for the long and difficult journey that soldiers were embarking on as they left their homes to go to war.